In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. So this should be a quick and easy process video, and only the ways you can do this is Google Backup has identical duplicate detection or some other reasons for having duplicate. Now, how to delete? Method 1, remove the duplicates manually. Log into Google Photos, click on Photos on the left panel, find the duplicates and then delete them. After that, method 2 is use identical duplicate detection with Google Photos. Now method 4 is find and remove duplicates Google Photos through third-party tools. There is some apps like Duplicate Photo Cleaner. It can delete all the duplicates you have. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.